What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Greg, and today we're gonna be cooking some top sirloin steak. Hope y'all enjoy.
Fire it up, let the flavor flow. Greg's on the grill and he's running the show. Burgers, ribs, and more to try. Grilling with Greg, oh me, oh my.
Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna season it. And what I'm gonna season it with is I got Weber Chicago steak seasoning. It's actually really good. I dipped my finger in and tried it. It's really good. So I'm gonna do these. Never cooked top sirloin steak before. Never cooked it. I've heard good things about it. I heard it's super tender. It's almost like a filet mignon. So we're gonna find out. It's a big old piece right there. And then I always get a little extra so I can bring it to work. So they came in these three. Hey, relax. So I got these three little pieces. I'm gonna chop it up, bring it to work. So I'm gonna get me the Chicago seasoning. I heard you could go pretty heavy on the sirloins on the seasoning. Go like that. Pat it in. Meanwhile, I have my grill charcoal getting, well, as you can see, it's a little smoky. But as you can see, I got it getting nice and charcoaled up, nice and hot. Well, I'm gonna go ahead and do this. And I'm doing this so I can let it sit and soak in this flavor for a little bit. Hey, ignore him. He sees a cat. We got a lot of wild cats around here, which sucks. But they keep the snakes away and whatnot. Alright, so I got these seasons. I'm gonna let these sit here for about 10 minutes, you know, until my charcoal gets nice and red hot. And then I put the grate on, get that red hot. I'm gonna let these sit here and rest, absorb that flavor, and then we're gonna stick it on the grill. Alright, so we got the charcoal all nice and hot and ready, everything's ready to go on. What we're gonna do, we'll put this on. I'm gonna put these smaller pieces in the back. Ooh, there you go. Alright, we'll put this on. We're gonna wait 3 minutes, and then 3 minutes we're gonna flip them. Alright, it's been 3 minutes. And get these, go ahead and flip them. Oh yeah, those look good. Scoot that over a little bit. Oh yeah. See what these look like. Yep. Oh yeah. There we go. Put the lid back on. Give it another 3 minutes. Alright, so in the meantime, my dog's learning how to track. So I went and grabbed a shirt that has a dog scent on it. And I went and dragged it on the ground and hit it. We're gonna go see if he can find it. Come on. Alright, Knox.
Go find it. Go find it.
Go find it.
Find it. Find it, Knox. Find it. Find it.
Look at that.
Find it. Where is it?
He's right at it. It's right there in the tree.
Find it. Find it. Good boy.
Good boy.
Good boy, Nelson. Good boy. Dang.
Alright, spend another 3 minutes. Them things are looking juicy. Look at them guys. So what we're looking for is 135. Done. Alright, everyone but this one. Big guy is not done. Big guy has about 2 minutes. So I'm gonna take these guys off. Oh yeah. Just like that. And then I'm gonna let these start to rest while this one gets a little bit more cook time. All right, so now it's been a little bit more time. Dang, that thing looks good. Oh yeah, we're there. We are there. So now, we'll take this off. I'm gonna very carefully put it on over here. I'm gonna put it on over here. And I'm gonna let it rest for probably about 8 more minutes. And then we're gonna break into it and see how it tastes. All right, now it's rested. Let's cut into it and see how it tastes. Look at that, it's got a nice little pink in it. That's good. That is good. Has really good flavor. All right, my honest opinion, it's a good steak, don't get me wrong. Filet mignon's still better, still more tender. But it is good, it's really good. That seasoning I did use, very good seasoning. All right, appreciate y'all watching. If you don't mind, like, comment, subscribe. Let me know what you want to see next, and see y'all next time.